Hey guys, I'm Jordan. Welcome to my kitchen. I have a lot of people ask me about simple, easy tips on how to meal prep. I'm going to take you through my typical Sunday meal prep today. Everything I'm making is Primal, Paleo, and Whole 30 approved. Everything from start to finish for the prep takes about an hour. The more comfortable you get with your veggie prep, the faster it's gonna go for you. The best thing about prepping on Sunday is now you're prepared for the week ahead. I mix and match my veggies for breakfast, lunch, and dinner with different protein sources. It's quick, easy, and healthy.